sa Solana.
Can you ride a horse?
Yes.
Real. Like I ride.
Shout out sa lahat ng ating viewers na taga Solana. Ito papunta ito sa Manila. Yan, dito na po tayo.
Wow.
Yeah, this is the Bonton Bridge. Ilaw mo naman data music dyan. Dito na po tayo sa London Bridge. Dito na po tayo sa Bunton. No, Bunton Bridge. Dito sa Tugigaraw.
I think we're going to London.
Take picture. Show them the bridge. Oo nga no. Siguro taram nandan today to niya.
Sama lang na yan.
Alam mo, the volume blue. Copyright.
Ano natin dito?
So not. There is no bridge in Lebanon.
Then the bridges are like in the highway. Not like
What's wrong? Eh? Ang kubot ka na pindot. What happened?
Damay salam na
Sayang.
Dito na po tayo sa Tugigaraw, the hottest city in the Philippines. Yes, they named it because of too much dry sea. Dito na tayo sa Mariton Grocery. Nandito tayo sa SM Tugigaraw. Ayan. They're the same. Dito po tayo sa SM. Malaki ay. Since then, ngayon lang ulit ako nakapunta dito sa SM kasi usually doon kami sa sa Baliate. Bagong SM pala to. Nasaan yung
natin Robinson?
Hindi, meron pang isa yung malapit sa St. Louis. Dati Ben? Dati ginadakol. Awanti. Ito pala yung malaking SM dito.
Sige, damami din ang
Iba lang pala yung isa doon sa St. Louis. Ay, baro ating SM? Ang laki pala
bigger than the one in Manila.
Nagdakulan si ka.
Diyan entrance to.
Ay, na entrance. Awan ti ma ko nagpudot. Awan sa pa. Antayan, dito na tayo, kain na tayo. Dito po kami sa SM Tugigaraw. First time ko din pumunta dito kasi noon sa Robinson lang kami. Sana si Lula at dalawang Lula. Yan, siya yan. It's too hot.
Palang ang ikot itong alula. Na parang shit palang ikot itong alula kung hindi.
Agkabsat da. Ayan. Ang mag-best friend na magkapatid. Ayan ang magkasundo. Magkasundo naman silang lahat, pero yan yung mostly na everyday. Everyday na nagtatawagan.
Ay, uray. Dagatang ko pinito.
Tita entrance? Okay. Buti na lang. Hindi nakadalaw-lawan. Magkayang pagparingan ito ko. Di na impan ito yun eh. Pagpudot. Ni. Let's go.
Wait.
Let's go. Ang sagal niya.
Please, please.
Okay, entrance. Di kayo next. Yan, here. Entrance here. Nagdala ng dalawang ang dalawang maglula. Let's go. Okay. Ay, wait lang.
I'll just telling you. You Gucci, is that good?
Wow, feeling namin nasa...
Yes, Pizza Hut here. But I don't want pizza.
Okay.
Because I'm telling you that.
Andito po kami sa SM. Kain po tayo. No, not Jollibee. Ah, there. Okay.
Supermarket.
Iti tayo ni. Diyan ngayon na food court. Okay.
This is so nice.
Ah,
We're walking up here, the mall.
ayan. Wait. Ingat order yun. Agin na po kayo ilang. Awan ko na tagdag po. Nanuulan nyo. Ate, ano na
Bago, Bill.
It's saying here that the Philippines started to eat
Yeah, the story.
I thought you said there is no war in Philippines.
Bala, we war.
You said there was no war in
Before, ma'am. Well, let's eat po. Kain po tayo. Dito kami sa Sabo. Classic Sabo. You will eat soup first, and then
Super.
Soup first.
Before afterward,
We cannot eat.
we eat rice. Afterward.
And then, madagdaman din ito.
It makes no sense. It's not like we're gonna be full anyway.
This first, but then the food. Okay? So,
No.
you don't want to eat it.
What's the point of eating stew?
You eat soup first, but then we eat the rice.
May pasayan ni.
But we will be full.
So delicious.
What happens if I wait for the food? I want my rice. I'm waiting for my strawberry milk
Ah, dati kaya't nante. Bago naman ito,
Marugitan ka ma.
I see our This they give it for benefit.
Rice.
This they give it for rice. Right, for me and this one. Either they give it for free.
Yeah, this is for you.
And how can I eat my rice without
you to that? Yeah?
It's like how a chicken. I have rice. I don't need more rice.
Gutom silang.
Ah, basta dito. Jerlyn, tawag-tawag ako. Hello? Apay?
Spinach, you want? Spring roll. I'll take it. Naka-ado yung order ko tapos di kayo namangan. Kainin natin yan to. Walang tira-tira.
Nag-feeling namin mas bali pa ang lalaki pa ka I got 3 times, I don't think they're making.
Yeah, eat all that one.
Okay, but I got 3 times, I don't think they're making by
Wala, they will bring. They will bring. Nailan manok ka?
You know this with the ketchup is so nice. Remember the
Wala yung spirit nila.
Ini ate ko ta.
Pinat. Aje ha, aje kontong di kami. Nilubak din mo kontong. Kontong, bako lang naman.
Okay.
Ako na iisip.
Hindi ah. Yun na. Ah, ano ba yun? Di ba yun?
Sino tayo maswerte?
Kaya Janet, ayos pizza, inuman na ito. Anong pumunta sa Bagay?
I mean, if they're not gonna bring me my drink, I guess we're gonna drink the ice cream.
Bala, dahil.
Bakit? Kasi ito yung maintenance process. Pag bumangga ang mga dahil ito, yan.
Mama, may mensahe ko. Naked?
Why are you filming? Finish the ball.
Thank you.
You want like this? Chicken, you don't want? It's delicious, the chicken. Oh my goodness, no. Yeah, delicious, eh? You want chicken? Try it, Mama. Really? Eh? The chicken, it's different. It's delicious. You want spinach? Try it. Try this one before you say it. I will give this one. Naimas ata ni. Lagi na kahit lamas ang name. Try. Ramalan nyo ata na ino. Lamas ato. You want more rice? Baik, baik pakanan nato. Baik pakan mo. Bella put-put, kumakain to. Kaya dayo manante.
Anto mamay. Buntut ka dala ni bakit ito?
You finish? Ang dami nating oh, sayang.
Wow!
Ayan, your strawberry is coming. You want?
Strawberry is coming. Here? Okay.
May bino-bino. Spring roll. Sarap yan. Tapos ka na?
I had to wait like 30 minutes for the strawberry.
Ninyo, ang dami namin natira, ihabid daw namin, iuwi. Yan, iuwi daw yan, sabi nila. Masarap yan, fish. Ha? Yan din, iuwi daw. Oh, dami namin iuwi. Oh, siya mag-load, mag-ano. Siya yan, finish na the right mo.
Mommy,
Finish na.
my cold. I'm making my body cold.
Yan lang. Kaya you are in the restaurant. You wanna ride the kalesa?
What is
Ride the horse?
Yeah.
Pag Duwag kay di plaza. Ay, doon tayo dyan na. Ay, ang manyo dyan ka de Bella. Boneta, ay. Ay,
Hindi pa rin ke. Hindi pa rin ko. Pinarkilan.
Pati daw ito supot nila. Sabi ko hindi.
Binayaban niya.
Tinake out ang mga sobra. Okay lang yan. Ayan, tayon. Yung iba mo jilukan na gito'y pa ilang mo na. Mama mo, Abang kami kumatang ang silaw. Abang kami pagkumangan ito. Kabi mo taon ng atay ng kit, baka mabigta. Sauce ataw. Let's go now.
I feel
What? Medyo bag ko, Ben. Let's go now, come.
Oh, this reminds me when I ate too much in the
Apit di kayo, miss mo kayo, ada J Sentimol. Miss mo kayo karon. Bawang kami lang gumatang ti silaw.
Hindi ka pa ba na yung masayay?
Nyaman nga may san?
Mangdaan.
Ayan na, daji kwa J silaw. Dulo. Mana may isa?
Thank you, mami. Naman pero nakusog kami.
Welcome.
Hey.
Welcome.
Pen shop.
Pen shop.
Shopee.
Shopee. Oh look, you can buy beds here.
Yeah, bed, mattress, bag.
You know what we should do? And not repeat the same mistake when we come back. We should get a blanket so we don't feel cold in the bus or sheet.
Yeah. Ay, the modifier. Humidify. Anong meron dito? Ha? What?
Shopee.
Come, we will see. Yung mga aso kiyan, no? Look, the dog, oh. Wow, we should bring our dog. Wow, mga dog, oh.
You think Quinn and Sky will ride them?
Look, the dog, oh.
Why is it wearing? Why is it
Bulldog.
Barangay, ayan, for the receiving of a certificate of appreciation para sa ating
Yeah, Pampers.
major sponsor here.
Yeah.
Miss Geneva.
Look, the two dog there with the cars. Look, you see the dog there? He's opening like Sky.
Dog competition.
Sky is like this. He open her legs.
I mean, all dogs they hate. Dog competition.
Oh wow, I wish we can get the car.
Yala, we will go by first the light. Yala. Why don't we come back? Hintay, pa kita na jealousy mo. Coconut.
Coconut brownie, she listen.
Yeah.
No, wait, what about we get a German Shepherd?
Dito Ace. Bili po kami ng ilaw ng bahay kasi wala po tayong ilaw. Sira na yung mga ibang ilaw. Yeah! Dinosaurs! Dinosaur pala, iisa.
Where did he get that? Oh, wait, are these for free?
No. We need to pay. You want? But sure, we will buy first light. Uwan, kaya bandayin ang kamay dakilan natin eh. Tapos aga mabantay G. Robinson.
Tangok na nakagaling.
Lucky yan. Bulldog. Walang Malinois.
Malinois.
Nakalapas yung pangin niya.
Puro bulldog ito. Walang ibang... Ayan oh. Ano to? Ang cute ng aso dun oh. Alang laki nun oh. Laki.
Thank you, Mommy.
Welcome, Habibato. Wait, where is the...
But I feel like we spent your money. I feel we spent your money, Mommy.
Ayan na, Jidra. Pagkatangan ti grocery.
Di ba ba?
Ah, Jai. Grabe. Mano kilo na nga the day to.
Ano kaya? Nag-organize national
How in the mall.
Nakabubutong yung bata na.
Let's go.
Era bulldog. Dahil pampers na nito.